Now we will discuss formation of differential equations. In this formation of differential equations, 1 mark or 2 marks will be appeared in your ESET examination point of view. So in this first type, we will discuss about algebraic functions. How we will solve algebraic functions. So the differential equation having y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c as a solution is dash. Option A, d square y by dx square is equal 0. Option B, d cube y by dx cube is equal 0. Option C, d power 3 by dx cube minus y is equal 0. Option D, none of the above. ఇలా ఉంటాయి నాన్న క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ సీలలో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏ బి సిలు కాన్స్టెంట్లు. టేక్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లం హౌ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ వన్ మీన్స్ y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. ఇక్కడ ఏ బి సిలు కాన్స్టెంట్లు. ఎన్ని కాన్స్టెంట్లు ఉన్నాయో చూసుకోవాలి క్వశ్చన్ లో. ఫస్ట్ షార్ట్ కట్ గా డైరెక్ట్ గా ఎన్ని కాన్స్టెంట్లు ఉన్నాయో చూసుకోవాలి. ఆ కాన్స్టెంట్లు ఎన్ని ఉంటే అన్ని టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 3 కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 3 టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. చేస్తే అయిపోద్ది. సో ఫస్ట్ టైం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ dy by dx is equal to here x square అంటే 2ax plus b, x means 1, c is constant 0. d square y by dx square means 2a, x means 1, b constant 0. Finally here d cube y by dx cube is equal to constant differentiation 0. Your option B is right answer. So simple formula here. How many constants are there in your question? That much of times you have to do differentiation. So the differential equation y is equal to ax plus b where a comma b constants is dash. A comma b are constants is dash అన్నాడు క్వశ్చన్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఏమిచ్చిండు dy by dx is equal to a. ఆప్షన్ బి d square y by dx square minus y is equal to 0. ఆప్షన్ సి d square y by dx square is equal to 0. ఆప్షన్ డి నన్ ఆప్షన్ ఇచ్చిండు. సో దిస్ is also here x and y forms are there. So y is equal to ax plus b. Here a, b, 2 constants are there. A comma b, 2 constants are there. So you have to take 2 times differentiation. That's it. So first differentiation dy by dx is equal to a, x means 1, b is constant 0. Then again one more time. This is also answer is there a, but it is wrong answer. Again we have to do this one d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Option C is correct answer. Like a simple logic, how many times of differentiation we have to do means based on number of constants. In type 2 method, it is belongs to the trigonometric functions case we will deal. In this trigonometric functions case, in this first formula problem, the differential equation having y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x is there is dash. ఇలా ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఆప్షన్ ఏ d square y by dx square plus y is equal 0. ఆప్షన్ బి d square y by dx square minus y is equal 0. ఆప్షన్ సి d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal 0. ఆప్షన్ డి none of the above. సో ఈ మోడల్లో ఉంది ప్రాబ్లం. ఇప్పుడు ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ని అంటే తీసుకోండి. ప్రాబ్లం ఏముంది y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x is there. Here a, b, 2 constants are there. So you have to do differentiation 2 times. First dy by dx, first differentiation a minus a sin x plus b cos x is there. Again second differentiation, d square y by dx square is equal minus a cos x minus b sin x is there. So you can take here minus common, a cos x plus b, a cos x plus b sin x is there. A cos x plus b sin x is there. So this is nothing but your quotient that will be represented y. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus y. ఈ లోపలికి వస్తే d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. So your option A is correct answer. I will tell one shortcut to this problem. Directly you can use that one. So now I will take one question. Y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x is there. So here two times of differentiation is there. That's why you can take d square y by dx square is equal to minus whatever here x coefficient is there. X coefficient is 1 square into y. 1 square into y. Whatever x coefficient is there, that one you have to write. X coefficient, this is 1 is nothing but x coefficient. Idi shortcut nana. Coefficient you can write here. That is nothing but you can write d square y by dx square is nothing but minus y. Minus y lopadiకి వస్తే plus y is equal 0. We can take one more problem on this. Simply use this logic easy untadi. The differential equation y is equal to a sin x, a sin nx plus b cos nx as a solution is compulsory. ఒకటి కాస్లు ఉంటది, ఒకటి సైన్లు ఉంటది. ట్రిగనోమెట్రిక్ ఫంక్షన్స్ లో దీంట్లో క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చిందంటే ఒకటి కాస్ లో ఉంటది, ఒకటి సైన్ లో ఉంటది. సో కంపల్సరీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ లైక్ దిస్. హియర్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ d square y by dx square is equal 0. Option B d square y by dx square minus y square is equal 0. Option C d square y by dx square minus n square y is equal 0. Option D d square y by dx square plus n square y is equal 0. So question తీసుకోండి. y is equal a sin nx plus b cos nx is there. a cos nx plus b sin nx. ఏం చెప్పాను, ఇక్కడ టూ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో టూ టైమ్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ d square y by dx square is equal మైనస్ x కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎంత n square y. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఇదే ఆన్సర్. ఈ ఆన్సర్ ఉందా, ఇట్ సైడ్ వచ్చింది. సో d square y by dx square plus n square y is equal to 0. Your option is D is correct answer. D is correct answer. In model, this model is very easy. After that type 3 problem, that is belongs to the differential equation in exponential functions. Exponential functions case, how we will solve. సో ఈ 3 మోడల్స్ లోంచి కంపల్సరీ 1 or 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇది ఈ మోడల్ చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫర్ y is equal to a e power 2x plus b e power minus 2x is option A d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Option B d square y by dx square plus 2y is equal to 0. Option C d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to 0. Option D d square y by dx square minus 4y is equal to 0. So in this case, how to solve this problem means you can consider y is equal to a e power 2x plus b e power minus 2x is there. Minus 2x. So a, b, 2 times constants are there. 2 times. First we will solve total problem. Then I will explain its shortcut to this one. So y is equal to a e power, so dy by dx, dy by dx is equal a e power 2x ఏమేది 2 into e power 2x minus 2b e power minus 2x, first differentiation. Second differentiation, d square y by dx square is equal 4a e power 2x plus 4b e power minus 2x. 4 is common, a e power 2x plus b e power minus 2x is there, so that value is 4 into this value is y, so d square y by dx square లోపలికి వస్తే d square y by dx square is equal to d square y by dx square is equal is minus 4y is equal to 0. Your option D is correct answer. So same ఇదే 4 steps బదులు నేను డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ రాస్తున్నా చూడండి. షార్ట్ కట్ ఫర్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం, y is equal to a e power 2x plus b e power minus 2x is there. So a b 2 times differentiation is there, you can take d square y by dx square is equal to ఇక్కడ 2 into minus 2, రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే, రెండు డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటే వేరే, రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 2 into minus 2 that is minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4y is equal 0, minus 4y is equal 0. 2 into ఒకటి పాజిటివ్ ఉంటుంది, ఒకటి నెగిటివ్ ఉంటుంది, 2 into minus 2 minus 4y is equal to 0. One more problem we will see on these topics same way. Y is equal to, here y is equal to a into e power 3x plus b into e power minus 3x is there. Then the solution is dash. How to solve this one? Simple ga 2 times are there constants, so d square y by dx square 3 into 3 minus 9y is equal to 0. That's it. Like similarly, y is equal to a e power minus 5x plus b e power 5x, then the solution is dash. So simple, 2 times are there constants, so you can take d square y by dx square, here minus 5 into plus 5 minus 25 into y is equal 0. Directly you can write its corresponding answer. Okay, thank you. In next video we will discuss solutions of differential equations.